Starting with question number 16 of exercise 7.6. Okay, the question says the line y equals to 2x plus 3 intersect the y-axis at A. Okay, so for instance, this is our x-axis and y-axis, and I'm making a line over here, y equals to 2x plus 3, and this line is intersecting y-axis at A. That's the first thing. Just a rough diagram. The point B and point C are on this line. Now on this line, we have got point B and point C. Okay. In this way, they have given us that point B and point C are given on this line. Okay. And what is the second thing they are given? It is in that way it is given that AB equals to BC, means the distance from A to B and distance from B to C is same. Okay, so if distance is same, can I say this thing that for the point from A to C, B is their midpoint? Can I say that? Because they are having same distance over here, same distance over here. It means that B is the midpoint of A till C. Okay, so we can say that B is midpoint of AC. Okay, because this distance and this distance is same. Okay, now the third thing is that the line through B perpendicular to AC. Now there is another line which is passing from B. There is another line which is passing from B and it is perpendicular to AC. Okay, and then they are saying that this line is having another point D. This line is having another point whose coordinate is -1, 6. Whose coordinates are -1, 6. So, what's the scenario given to us? Right now, I'm just revising my scenario over here. First of all, they have told us that there is a first line whose equation is given y equals to 2x plus 3. Then they have told us that it is intersecting at y-axis. That point is known as A. Then I have got B, then I have got C. B is the midpoint because AB and BC distance are equal. That is given. Now, there is another line which is passing from B and it is passing through D whose coordinates are -1, 6. Again, don't think about this, sir, -1, 6. How can this be negative and 6? It is just a rough sketching. Okay, I'm not saying it's a proper sketching. It is just for your understanding. Okay, so now what we have to calculate? Now we have to do some calculation. What are the calculation? First thing they are saying that find equation of BD. I have to find the equation of this line which is perpendicular to this line. Okay, I have to find equation of this line which is perpendicular to this line. Okay, so I'm going to solve it on board. You guys can try it on your in your copy, and then at the end you can check either you are getting the same thing or not. Okay, so now guys, I have to find the equation of this line. Okay, I have got a point on the equation of line. So if I can have another point or gradient, if I can have these two things, any of these things, I can have my equation. So this line is perpendicular to this one. So first of all, you have to find the gradient of this line. So gradient of this line, y is the subject. On the other side, I have two individual equations. One is in term of x. So the coefficient of x will be the gradient of this line, m equals to 2. And as this line is perpendicular, so if it is m equals to 2, when I will shift it over here, the gradient of this line will become m equals to minus 1 over 2. M equals to minus 1 over 2. Okay. So now I have got the gradient of this line. I have got minus 1 over 6. I can form the equation of line y equals to mx plus c. Okay. What is m given? Minus half. What is x given? Minus 1 plus c. And what is y given? 6. So simplifying it, 6 equals to 1 over 2 plus c. Shifting it over here, 6 minus half equals to c. When I will simplify it, my final answer will be coming 11 over 2 or 5.5. That is my answer for C. So when I have to find the equation of line, I have got y equals to mx plus c. Y equals to, what was my m? My m was minus half x. C was 11 over 2. Both of them have got 2 over here in the denominator. So 2 can be shifted over here. 2y equals to minus x plus 11. That's the equation of this line. 2y equals to minus x plus 11. That's the equation of line. That's my A part. Okay. Okay. So I have to find the value of B. For that, 2y equals to minus x plus 11 and y equals to 2x plus 3. Okay. So in order to make my coefficient same, I am multiplying this equation by 2. So 2y equals to 4x plus 6 and I am erasing my second equation. Okay. Now subtracting 2y minus. So 2y minus 2y, that will be cancelled, minus x minus 4x minus 5x, and this will become plus 5 equals to 0. Shifting it over here, 5x equals to 5, x equals to 1. X equals to 1 can be plotted in this equation. So y equals to 2, 1 plus 3 and y equals to 5. So the coordinate of B is coming 1, 5. Okay. Now B is the midpoint, C is one corner, A is another corner. I don't know the value of C, so I'm writing it as AB. Okay, but first of all, I have to have the coordinate of A also. So what will be the coordinate of A? It is on y-axis, means the value of x will be taken as 0. So y equals to 2, 0 plus 3. Simplifying it, value of y is coming 3. It means the value of A will be 0, 3. Okay. Now, B is the midpoint. The value of B is the midpoint. So, how do we take the midpoint value? 0 plus A. 0 plus A divided by 2 will be equals to 1. Okay. In the same way, 3 plus B over 2, 3 plus B over 2 will be equals to 5. So when I will shift it, this will become 2 ones are 2, A will remain, and when I will shift it over here, 5 twos are 10 minus this, B equals to 7. So answer of C is coming 2, 7, and that's your final answer.